Is your Samsung Smart TV leaving you in silence when you crave your favorite shows? Let's get that audio back. First, let's rule out the most common culprit, the mute button. Grab your Samsung TV remote and look for the mute icon. It often looks like a speaker with a line through it or just a microphone symbol. Give that button a press to ensure your TV isn't accidentally muted. If muting isn't the issue, let's dive into the sound settings. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu, then navigate to settings. From there, select sound. This is where we can make adjustments within the sound menu. Begin by checking the volume level. Ensure it's not set to 0. Also, look for any specific output settings. If your TV is connected to a soundbar or external speaker system, make sure the speaker output is set to the correct option for your setup, like audio, optical, or Bluetooth speaker. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve hidden audio glitches. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung TV remote for about 5 seconds until the TV completely powers off. Wait for about 30 seconds. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. This can often clear temporary software hiccups. Still no luck? Let's check the audio output of your connected devices, like a cable box or streaming stick. Ensure the audio cables are securely plugged in at both ends. If you're using HDMI, try a different HDMI port on your TV or even a different HDMI cable altogether. Faulty cables can silently sabotage your sound. Finally, if none of these steps restore your sound, it might be time to consider a factory reset of your TV. Be aware that this will erase all your personal settings and downloaded apps, so you'll need to set up your TV again from scratch. To do this, go back to Settings, then General, and look for Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying your Samsung Smart TV's audio once more.